Hello. What's your name?
Hola.
What's your name?
Alex.
What?
Alex.
Alex. Hi.
That's
Hello,
Mike.
Alex.
Mike.
It's Raina. Came to New Zealand and she was really young. She's growing up now. Kaya ko sa nga Raina? 6? 7?
Oh. Siya ko sang.
Oh, hi.
Hi auntie, hi uncle.
Hi, Auntie.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
My name is Alexander.
Hi. What school do you go to?
Mary's brother's school.
Hi. What time did you finish?
1 o'clock.
1
Say
o'clock.
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Hi. Who picked you up from school?
Papa.
Papa.
Hi. How old are you?
7 years old.
7 years old? Oh, okay. It's Raina. Christian. Hello, Raina. What did you do at school today? Did you have a culture day? Oh, okay. What did you do? Were you dancing? Dancing? Oh, okay. Do you remember coming to New Zealand? Yeah? Do you remember me? Yeah? You, Masi and Mika? And you came with grandpa? Yeah? Alright. How old are you now? 6? 6. Alright. What else did you do at school today?
I took my homework.
Oh, good girl. Are you the top of your class? Yeah? What school do you go to?
St. Mary's School.
St. Mary's? Oh, okay. When does school finish? Tomorrow? And you're gonna go back to Savati? Yeah? Oh, okay. We'll go together back to Savati. Okay? Do you remember Auntie Ving? Remember Auntie Ving? Uncle Mika? Yeah? You wanna say something to them?
I love you.
Love you.
Love you? Bye. Do you want to come to New Zealand again? Yeah? So we'll tell Uncle and Auntie to pay for your pasese and you come to New Zealand? Yeah? Okay. Hey, Christian. Yeah. Yeah. My look. Yeah. Hello. Hi, Angel, is it? What's your name?
Angel.
Angel? Oh, how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Oh, okay. What did you do at school today?
Back on school.
Oh, okay. Say anything? Supaya Uncle and Auntie kung melo passes, well, come to New Zealand. Come to New Zealand. Me and you go. Yeah. Okay. Me and you go next week. Hi, mommy.
Mommy, welcome.
Say hello, mommy.
Kita kecil.
Yeah, so TV sama nga.
That's it. Ready?
Yeah.
Pai oi kia la ku pai so ka ko o before.
All right.
Yeah. Smart. Welcome.
Really? Question there.
Unintentionally.
Really? Question there. Bye. Hey, hey. Question.
When a person
Hey.